All type of knowledge ultimately means self-knowledge. As an actor, as a martial artist, as a human being, all these I have learned from martial arts.
These words from Bruce Lee, a martial arts legend and cultural icon, reflect a life of adaptability, resilience, and triumph. But what shaped the young Bruce Lee before he became a global phenomenon? Born in 1940 in San Francisco and raised in Hong Kong, Lee's early years were a blend of East and West. His father, a Cantonese opera star, introduced young Bruce to the world of film and performance, igniting a spark that would later become a roaring flame. Growing up in Hong Kong during the 1940s and 1950s, Lee experienced a city recovering from World War II and undergoing rapid change. It was a tough environment, marked by street gangs and British colonial rule. These streets became the first battlegrounds for young Bruce, where he learned to stand up for himself and fight. In 1956, at the age of 16, Lee began a transformative journey in the vibrant streets of Hong Kong. Under the tutelage of Yip Man, a grandmaster of Wing Chun, Lee not only learned martial arts, but also imbibed a philosophy intertwining discipline, resilience, and mental strength. These lessons, transcending mere physical training, laid the foundation for his future innovations in martial arts. Despite facing challenges due to his mixed heritage, Lee's dedication and adaptability under Yip Man's guidance helped him overcome societal barriers, shaping him into a future icon. This period was pivotal, marking the beginning of Lee's path to becoming a legendary martial artist and cultural figure. Lee's teenage years in Hong Kong were a blend of rising martial arts skill and tumultuous street life. His involvement in a significant street fight, injuring a triad boss's son, attracted dangerous gang attention. This incident underscored the perilous nature of Hong Kong at the time and became a turning point. Concerned for his safety and future, his parents, especially his father, Lee Hoi Chuen, decided to act. They chose to send him to the United States, his birthplace, in April 1959, just before his 19th birthday. This move was intended to protect Bruce, offer him educational opportunities, and distance him from the negative influences of Hong Kong's street culture, providing a fresh start and a chance to reshape his life. This move to America was a turning point for Bruce Lee. In this new environment, he encountered both challenges and opportunities. He juggled various jobs, including waiting tables and teaching the cha-cha dance. Importantly, in 1961, Lee enrolled at the University of Washington in Seattle, majoring in drama and minoring in philosophy. This academic pursuit complemented his deepening interest in martial arts. His passion for martial arts remained undiminished, and he began teaching it to fellow students. In these sessions, he combined traditional techniques with his own developing philosophy, laying the groundwork for his unique martial arts style. This period marked the beginning of his journey as not just a martial artist, but also as an innovator and philosopher in the field.
Straight at it, going, or come up. Or, if I can back up a little bit, start that up.
These formative years laid the groundwork for Lee's revolutionary approach to martial arts and life. His adaptability, learned in the streets of Hong Kong, his discipline, honed under Yip Man, and his resilience, tested in the face of racial and cultural barriers in America, all contributed to his later success. Breaking into Hollywood was another battle. Despite his charisma and talent, Lee was often sidelined due to his ethnicity. But he didn't let this stop him. Instead, he created opportunities for himself, eventually becoming a global star. Let's witness the sheer brilliance of Bruce Lee in action. In the iconic mirror scene from Enter the Dragon, we see more than just martial arts mastery. We see a philosophy in motion. Lee's movements are fluid yet precise, a physical manifestation of his famous adage, "Be like water." In another scene from The Way of the Dragon, his lightning-fast strikes and unparalleled agility not only captivate the audience, but also demonstrate his groundbreaking approach to martial arts. Each scene is a testament to Lee's belief in the harmony of mind, body, and spirit, transcending the boundaries of traditional martial arts. Bruce Lee's philosophies, distilled from a lifetime of learning and practice, offer profound insights for our daily lives too. Let's explore 5 key lessons. First, the power of adaptability. Lee famously said,
Be water, my friend.
This means embracing change and flowing with the circumstances, rather than resisting them. Whether it's a sudden shift at work or an unexpected personal challenge, being adaptable allows us to navigate life's uncertainties with grace. Secondly, the importance of self-expression. Lee believed,
Always be yourself, express yourself, have faith in yourself.
This encourages us to be authentic in our interactions and to trust in our unique paths, even when they differ from societal norms or expectations. Thirdly, the value of simplicity.
It's not the daily increase, but daily decrease. Hack away at the unessential.
In our increasingly complex world, focusing on what truly matters, simplifying our lives and thoughts, can lead to greater clarity and purpose. Fourthly, the necessity of perseverance. Lee's journey was marked by setbacks, yet he never wavered.
Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one.
This teaches us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, building resilience and determination. And finally, the integration of learning and action.
Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do.
Lee was a voracious learner who put his knowledge into practice. In our lives, this means moving beyond passive learning, actively applying our insights and skills to achieve our goals and make a real impact. Through these lessons, Bruce Lee's legacy continues to inspire and guide us, showing that the principles of martial arts can indeed illuminate the path to personal growth and success. His life was more than a tale of martial arts. It was a blueprint for living with purpose, resilience, and authenticity.
Water also is insubstantial. By that I mean you cannot grasp hold of it. You cannot punch it and hurt it. So every Kung Fu man is trying to do that. To be soft like water and flexible and adapt itself to the opponent.
Let's carry these lessons forward, applying them to our own journeys, and remember his message: to be like water, flexible, resilient, and powerful. In doing so, honor the legacy of a true legend and find our own path to success.
Chinese boxer.